Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your Trust Wallet address. So the address is specific to specific coin, to every coin. So for example, we're going to choose USDT for today. And if you click receive, you will see your wallet address here and QR code. Now, in order to change it, as you can see, it is not changed. There's no button to change it. But once you will receive it, receive some money, your address will change. So basically just click on the information bar right there. I'm just going to show you in a second. I'm just going to scroll down and here it is. Why did my Bitcoin address change? So it doesn't matter Bitcoin or any other coin. So as you can see, once your public address receives an incoming payment, a new address will automatically be generated. So basically, once you will receive a payment from incoming payment, basically to your Trust Wallet, your address of this coin will change. So basically, that's it. So that's how it changes. So if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.